In this video, I'll guide you through how to submit a timesheet in Zoho People. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through the entire process from opening your timesheet to reviewing your entries and submitting them for approval. First, let's start by getting to the right place in Zoho People. After you've logged into your Zoho People account and you're on the main dashboard, look for the section or menu labeled Timesheet. Depending on how your company has set things up, this might appear in the top navigation bar, a side menu, or under a self-service or attendance section. The idea is the same. You want to open the area where you track and view your work hours or project time. Once you've found it, click on Timesheet. This will take you to the main timesheet page, where you can either see a list of existing timesheets or a calendar-style view of your hours. Here, you'll want to open the timesheet that you're planning to submit. Usually, this will be for a specific week or for a particular date range, such as the current pay period. If you see multiple timesheets, choose the one that matches the period you're trying to submit. For example, if you're submitting for last week, make sure that week's dates are shown. Click on that timesheet to open it fully. Now you should see all your logged entries for that period, including dates, projects or tasks, hours worked, and possibly notes or comments if you added any. Before you submit, it's important to review your entries carefully. Think of this as your final quality check. Go row by row and confirm that each day has the correct hours recorded. Make sure the hours match what you actually worked and that they've been assigned to the right projects, clients, or tasks according to your company's guidelines. If your organization requires specific notes or descriptions, check that those fields are filled in and make sense. Look for obvious issues like missing days, entries with 0 hours that should have time recorded, or duplicated entries on the same day. If you spot a mistake, this is the moment to fix it. Most of the time, you can simply click into the entry, adjust the hours or project, add a note if needed, and save your changes. Taking an extra minute here helps avoid having your timesheet rejected or sent back for corrections later. Once everything looks accurate and complete, you're ready for the final step, submitting your timesheet. On the timesheet page, look for a button labeled Submit. This is usually found at the top or bottom of the page. Click Submit to send your timesheet to your manager or approver. After you click Submit, you may see a confirmation message or a status change indicating that the timesheet is now pending approval. At this point, you're done. You've successfully submitted your timesheet in Zoho People. To recap, you go to the timesheet section, open the correct timesheet, carefully review all your entries, and then click Submit. Follow these steps each pay period to keep your hours accurate and your approvals running smoothly.